Good night. My name is Fernando Silva. I will answer the question. 1. Was invited visit popular tourist destination or listen no tourist destination? Why? Guy. At least 2 weeks for June Howard had signed a visit to visit listen no tourist destination. We had airline Munich since the airline so cheap. How many times popular tourist destination had our ball? Hunted for big catch, hunted come. Being June a full cover the hard tourists. Please the hack is our most mature to visit since there are important plaques for the store of all bricks and crowns. Do you prefer regular tourism or ecotourism? Mention two advantages or disadvantages on them based on opinions. Howard. I prefer ecotourism signs and times upon tourism you are surrounded by nature. You can observe and appreciate the natural environment. The tradition culture prevalence in natural areas. It is a good activity to disconnect from the technological world. Is it also interesting? Science, the organization is in charge of specialists tour operators or watch who guides a more groups. Therefore, you can enjoy a guide experience to learn more about them one as knowledge. Have 3. Have you ever been a backpacking? What is your opinion about this traveling style? How? No. Have you been backpacked? At times things were outrageous. For very adventurous purpose, go to know my experience. Discomfort on the street, personality, evolve and no need to travel like this because although it is existing at time a track with plinks, invited and amenities. What are the most visited plus or tourist attractions in your city? My city are no really recognized tourist places. However, there are some places to visit, such as the natural pool of the lakes, Rabanite Pin Forest, and the strange how the town is the Mandalena Reich was of the good beats to enjoy and cut. Had you ever worked on tourism? What was experience like? It had no work in tourism bus and things. It must be an interesting hope since you have the opportunity to get to know my place, especially if you are a tour guide.